Kajing Kangtala ka nyot Tribute Council ek office director ka ni krim stanction kapnong pirang ba ampram jul ka ni Jingleh abakran menta kasngi sikla tai ko pirang ba long ba war akapo ba ila Thma ro ki Shipai kim ju Hiar Thma yagi jaga sumal nai ka ni Jingleh Sngewsih ka rang ba susi ba pon rem jul da baro long ba hoi ka don ki issue ki ba dai ban yakren bani pen bai nai ban le da ka bor long na kaleng ki pulit ru kira ujom ke Thma kira register case kalau kena Jingleh berkin le ek budon kam ulah kentu ke sering balik ki pai ba pagim dai ban le deka bol nai ki ban ikren dekren ti kram ban poi ban pen bai ye kena ke Jingleh.
What is your take on this?
My take on this is very simple. Number one, even during times of war, there is always an unwritten code that the armed forces of any of the countries never attack the hospitals. I'm very disappointed, I'll tell you, to see that the operations of a hospital, were kind of interfered with, and whatever the reasons may be. At the end of the day, if you do something like that, it is the people and the patients who suffer. And from any point of view and all humanitarian point of view, this is something that is unacceptable. I'm very clear on that. There can be issues, there can be differences, there are ways to resolve it. Whether it's a state government, whether it's a central government, or whether it is the concerned institute, has never shied away or closed their doors for any kind of discussion to be done on any issue. And we have proved it and shown it in the past also, and will continue to engage in the future. But to intervene and to kind of disturb the functioning of a hospital has not been done in the past. And this is something, as I said, I don't agree with. And accordingly, as I said, the police has taken note of it from a law and order point of view. The case has been registered, and the police is taking steps as per law and as per proof that is there. And we will take necessary action on that. As I said, we have never stopped any discussion or any issue. I'm not saying that the issue raised is not important or is important, but as I said, that does not justify interfering in the operations of an hospital. And if there are concerns, then there are other ways to discuss and address it, but stopping the operations of a hospital is not one thing.